I was class 12 student, and then CDs and DVDs were becoming very popular. And suddenly one of my friends came up and he said, "Yeah, let's start something of our own." And then we started writing CDs, music CDs, right? And then we were selling those CDs into the market, just out of passion, right? And then we started liking that. Over a period of time, I think we would have sold hundreds of CDs in a small town in Haryana, Hisar, right? And while I was pursuing my graduation, I was doing my computer science, and then did my MBA, and then there comes the time when you have to choose the stream, what do you do?
Right.
And so I went for sales based on my own interest, and when I came out of my MBA college, so the first job I was doing was with Studs Accessories Limited, which is like a helmet manufacturing company. So they sent me to Chennai, and the way I was selling this was kind of a direct sales. Standing in the call centers and then selling helmets to the folks who comes on a bike, and then when they go outside the call center premises, there used to be police checking them in. And then I realized that there is a trigger point when people actually buy, and the trigger point was a fear, right? So we put up a canopy there, and then I was into direct sales doing that. Came back to Delhi about after 6-7 months from there, joined banks. So the first bank I joined was American Express, selling American Express charge cards. Back then it used to be a big thing. And then joined Deutsche, for the wealth management services, Deutsche Corp here in Gurgaon. So did that all in first 3 years of my career post MBA, and then stuck to Airtel for a very long time. So I spent about 11.5 years with Airtel. My first job was primarily managing franchise business for them. Went to Pune, became a team lead. That was my first experience of being a sales manager per se, right? And from there on, career kept on pivoting, from sales to distribution to brand management at some point in time. And then, online business was kind of, growing up at 2013-14. So built their apps website back then. 2017, Google happened. Joined as a consultant at Google, vertical business manager, which is largely, helping our large clients' campaigns. And then working with them for last 7 years, doing, B2B sales, largely B2B sales and consulting, which is largely about, helping large, small startups to acquire user base, and we, use our Google products for that. So that's been kind of my journey thus far.
Yeah.